CySat-I software team here. This is Brian. Today with a short little demo. Basically, we've been working on ground station software a little bit, and this is just going to demonstrate the reception of the beacon text and then automatic response to shut off the beacon that the ground station will send back to the satellite once it receives that beacon. So currently in picture we have the UHF transceiver, which I've configured to be our beacon text, which is "Hello Earth, I am ISU's CySat-I," and it's going every 5 seconds. And here's the antenna, and then over here we have a little Kenwood radio, and you can see it flash and hear it every once in a while. Every 5 seconds it picks that up, and that's also going into the computer, and we have that connected to a serial port. Now here's our ground station program, and we can go ahead and connect to that to the Kenwood radio on COM port 8 at 9600 baud. We've already configured the Kenwood radio to be at the correct baud rate and in a converse mode to be able to communicate serially like this. So when we connect, it's going to say that it's successfully connected, and then it's going to sit and wait for packets, and then when it receives one, it should oh, this is sad. Okay, had a little bug there with the radio, got that sorted out, or at least remediated for the time being. Gonna go ahead and try this again. The idea now is that we're going to connect to the radio, and it should receive a beacon, and it will display that in this log here, and then it will automatically respond with a beacon shutoff request command, and that would be exactly what it would do in the real situation. So if we connect, it says successfully connected, and then bam, text comes up, it says, "Hello Earth, I am ISU's CySat-I," and then it says TX, which is transmit, and then it has disable beacon request. That part at the beginning there, that CySat, and then the greater than sign, and then W0 ISU, those are the call signs for our UHF transceiver and Kenwood handheld respectively. Alright, that's all I have to show for now.
So this is the April 16th ground station front-end update. So the main thing that's been added is the subsystem selection tab system. So we have general, OBC, ADCS, SDR, EPS, and then end of life with different buttons. Currently, all of these are just placeholder buttons for the future. And then the next change that we have is the CySat info with the logo. So if you click about CySat, it links it to the M2I CySat webpage. And then the next thing that we have is the manual button. So if you click that, it will link it to the senior design webpage, which eventually we will link it to the ground station manual. And that is the end of today's update.